let's face it, July is basically just Christmas time for pie makers. We've got berries, cherries, peaches, apricot, plums, and all the rest just saying, bake with me, bake with me. And if that weren't bad enough, I mean really good enough, there's corn, tomatoes, eggplant, fresh herbs, and all the rest just practically begging us to turn them into savory pies. And that's why we're doing both a sweet and a savory pie class this month. Let me tell you all about them. So on Sunday, July 17th, it's a class called Cherry Berry Triple Play. I couldn't decide between a berry class or a cherry class, so we're using both. And I also couldn't narrow it down to just 1 or 2 pie recipes, so we're doing 3. Now the first is a classic cherry berry crumb top pie, the best one you've ever had, and I dare you to eat a piece of this without a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Then we'll go portable with cherry berry toaster pastries, a sort of Pop-Tart knockoff, but way off in a league of their own. Man, these are lots of fun to assemble too. We'll finish out this trio with cherry berry mason jar lid pies. That's right, we'll use mason jar lids for our pans. Now, some of our class regulars have really been looking forward to this class, and I can't wait either. Now, our July 24th class is all about 2 absolute favorite savory summer corn pies. Y'all have probably heard me say how crazy I am about tomato pies. Well, I'm even crazier about tomato pie with fresh corn in it, and we'll be baking the granddaddy of all of them in this category, my buffalo chicken, tomato, and corn pie. This is the pie that my wife Bev swears is the best thing she's ever eaten. And you don't even want to disagree with her. It's got cheddar and blue cheeses and chicken, fresh corn, sliced tomatoes, and our secret creamy concoction that makes this taste so fabulous. Then we're going to make a creme fraiche corn quiche. It's sort of a velvety fresh corn and cheddar pudding in a flaky buttery crust. Man, oh man, it is delicious. So there you have it. 2 incredible pie classes, 1 sweet, 1 savory, a total of 5 recipes, and a ton of good pie fun. As always, we've got a special bundle price if you sign up for both classes. And remember, whether you watch live or later, you get 24/7 lifetime access to the replays. I'll see you in class.